Everything you need to know about the 2022 Ford Bronco Everglades Edition. The all-new 2022 Ford Bronco Everglades Special Edition was designed to go further off the grid than any other vehicle in its class. Emitting a sleek, smoky quartz exterior finish with an exquisite interior that's sure not only meet but exceed your needs on every adventure you take it through, this rugged SUV will have you feeling right at home, no matter where life takes us. The Bronco Everglades is the perfect vehicle for tackling any terrain with its goes over any type of terrain mentality. With features like a snorkel, integrated front bumper-mounted winch and all off-road equipment in Bronco's Sasquatch package, it will leave you feeling confident on your next adventure. While most Bronco customers are interested in exploring new places, some want to go even further off the trail than others. For these adventurous individuals who take on challenging terrain and trails with their vehicle's front bumper-mounted winch, Jalanta Coffee has created special edition models for them. Everglades is one such example. The Bronco Everglades is packed with rugged off-road hardware, including an exclusive signature snorkel designed and engineered by Ford. The innovative inlet runs up the passenger side appler to optimize vehicle performance under dust, snow or water conditions while driving through nasty trails. It's easy for two people, one analyst, even without any technical knowledge whatsoever, due its simple design which uses interchangeable plates that can be installed quickly against different flows of air coming from different angles depending on what type storm you're experiencing. This means more power when needed most, but also keeps things stable at lower speeds where traction may not always apply. When it comes to snorkels, Bronco enthusiasts demand style as well as performance. So we challenged ourselves and created an Everglades style with high-end function for our vehicle's needs. What makes this one different? The headpiece changes the way that you can wear them, reversible intake, plus there are vents all around so water doesn't get into your system easily. Front or rear axles offer increased draining capabilities. Combined they lead up to 36 inches worth of fording ability, which will help keep those wheels on top when driving through any type of terrain. If you need more traction than what your tires and engine can offer, the heavy-duty modular front bumper by Ford Performance is ready for action with Z-Inten's worn winch. With a 100 synthetic line, it's no wonder that Bronco Everglades comes standard equipment. This vehicle also features protective safari barriers as well as rock rails which were carefully designed to keep it tough enough, even when mired down in some pretty sticky situations like bricks or glass bottles atop an array other debris typically found on any street corner at nighttime. The unique carbonized gray grille and gloss black Bronco lettering really stand out against all those dark surfaces, making this one look. Get ready for adventure in this tough off-road package. The Sasquatch package features 17-inch carbonized gray painted alloy wheels with 35 Goodyear mud terrain tires and an excellent set of exterior appointments that will help you protect your vehicle's lower sills, like rock rails, to prevent dents or scratches when driving over obstacles on trails. Plus it includes a hardtop roof rack combo, so there are no worries about getting wet during bad weather either. Just load up all sorts of gear, then go have some fun outdoors. The Bronco design team has taken advantage of the SUV's patented off-road modular architecture in creating an Everglades edition, further underscoring how this user-friendly platform can be stripped down and reconfigured for another new adventure with just a different body setup. The vehicle features unique squared front wheels as well as square rear wheel arches that are matched by Sasquatch width fender flares on each side, adorning them proudly like something special about themselves. This would look great whether you're driving around town or hitting up those scenic trails near your house too, because it'll hold up very nicely under pressure, so long as there isn't too much snow left out currently await. When you and your friends get together to go off the grid, there is one thing that always needs to happen: the Ford Bronco Everglades. This tough vehicle will take all of the trail dirt right off onto its standard marine-grade vinyl seats or rubberized washout flooring for an easy clean-up at home later on. New urban green accents provide just enough color touch, so even if they don't have any other green items in their decor arsenal, this truck's got them covered from top down with style and class, and bonus points too, because who doesn't love some parallel parks? The Bronco Everglades, with its 12-inch Sync 4 system and Ford Power-Up over-the-air software updates, is a class exclusive. The most torque from an EcoBoost engine in this competitive field of vehicles comes as close to being 300 horsepower as possible while still maintaining 325 pounds-feet, which makes it safe for anyone who wants premium features without having too high expectations on fuel efficiency, due only getting 22 miles per gallon highway travel. Bronco Everglades will be available in 5 exterior colors, including a low-volume desert sand that's exclusive to this model. There are also Eruption Green, Area 51 and Shadow Black among others for your convenience when ordering. The new 2022 Bronco Pursuit is set at $53K plus 1% destination fee or tax cost, which total up to around 55K GDPs, Grateful Dead bumper stickers. It'll start taking orders starting March 22nd exclusively with current reservation holders, but don't wait too long before placing yours, because these SUVs won't last long once they arrive at Ford dealerships. Thank you for watching, please subscribe.